Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can unpin a post on Tumblr. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tumblr app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, find the post which you want to unpin. Then tap on three dots icon. After that, you can see the option of unpin post. Tap on it. Then tap on unpin. Then refresh your profile once. So this is how you can unpin your post on Tumblr. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.